Students, last lecture I have discussed with you regarding letters of inquiry and circulars. Actually, how the circular letters are written, we have studied. Means, what are the subjects of circular letters? For the introduction of new products, then change of address, announcing rise or the reduction in prices. There are so many issues of that, and I have also discussed with the two models circular letters regarding change in address as well as opening a new branch. Today we are going to discuss social communication letters to maintain goodwill. As we know that man is a social animal and he has to communicate with others. Just as we people, businessmen have to write a number of letters relating to their own and organization social life. They have to write letters to fulfill social obligations which may not be directly related to their professional works. म्हणजे व्यवसाय जरी करत असला तरी तो शेवटी मनुष्याचा असतो आणि त्यासाठी त्याला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची पत्र लिहावी लागतात, पत्रव्यवहार करावा लागतो, कम्युनिकेशन करावं लागतं. And writing such social communication letters is essential to maintain smooth and good relationship with other organizations, employees of their own organizations and other people. What kind of letters come under this social communication? Letter of congratulation, letter of thanks and appreciation, letter of recommendation, then letter of introduction, letter of sympathy, letter of regret, letter of condolence. These are types of letters which are related to the social correspondence. Such letters can be called public letters. The public relation department works in any business or in any company to build goodwill. And the public letters are addressed basically to business associations, colleagues and friends. Here I am going to discuss one example, letter of congratulation. आता अभिनंदन करणारी पत्र एखाद्या व्यक्तीनं त्याच्या जीवनामध्ये करिअरमध्ये यश मिळवलं असेल किंवा एखादा मेंबर निवडून आला असेल, इलेक्ट झाला असेल, तर आपल्याला माहीत आहे की आपण व्हॉट्सअपवरून मेसेजेस पाठवतो. परंतु सोशल कम्युनिकेशनमध्ये की लेटर ऑफ कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन लिहावं लागतं आणि ते कशा पद्धतीनं लिहिलं जातं इज हिअर इज वन मॉडेल अबाउट वन पर्सन gets elected as a president of Mumbai Chamber of Commerce, and whose name is Mr. Bose. And here Ram Prasad, who is from one company, Ganesh Software, he writes letter to Mr. Bose. See here, first the address, Ganesh Software, MG Road, Ganpati Pet, Andheri West, Mumbai, 88. In such kind of letters, language must be very soft, sober, respectful. How it begins? Dear Mr. Bose, I am glad to know that you are elected as a president of Mumbai Chamber of Commerce. Congratulations on this splendid recognition of your ability. किंवा आपण म्हणतो की I congratulate you as you are elected as a president of Mumbai Chamber of Commerce. And such selection shows the high esteem, to means respect म्हणतो आपण त्याला, in which you fellow businessmen hold you. From our close relationship with you for almost 20 years, my colleagues and I know how well suited you are for this important work. तर इथं की त्या व्यक्तीच्या ॲबिलिटी, he has abilities to do such kind of works, and so that he is elected for that, or he is selected for that post. आणि मग आपल्याला ती काम करण्याची त्याच्याकडे ॲबिलिटी आहे हे सांगावं लागतं कारण विदाउट हॅव्हिंग ॲबिलिटीज वी कांट गेट such kind of, or we can't get elected. And we also express best wishes also. We are sure that, आम्हाला खात्री आहे, that your term of office will be one of the great values to the business community. आणि द वर्ल्ड ऑफ बिझनेस जे आहे, आता चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स म्हणतो आपण, व्यापाराच्या दृष्टिकोनातून ही जी बिझनेस कम्युनिटी जी आहे आणि चालवलेली जी एज आहे हे फार महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून, ॲज अ बिईंग अ प्रेसिडेंट, यू विल डू समथिंग गुड इज अ फॉर द बिझनेस कम्युनिटी. थँकिंग यू. मीन्स हिअर द होप, एक्सपेक्टेशन्स आर एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय दिस मेंबर. थँकिंग यू. Sincerely yours, R. Prasad from Ganesh Software, CEO. Means you try to understand what kind of format is that, what are the steps they are given there. Here a congratulatory letter need to contain the word congratulation, and it can convey the message by its tone and the manner in which it takes note of the achievement. The someday you have achieved such kind of the achievement, or you get elected, or you received any awards, and we got such kind of letters. And it is essential to give the reply to such kind of letters. And here, L.B. Bose, who received the letter from Mr. Prasad, he writes reply to Mr. Prasad. How it is written? Dear Mr. Prasad, thank you very much for your good wishes. Okay. म्हणजे तुम्ही ज्या काही माझ्यासाठी सदिच्छा व्यक्त केलेल्या आहेत त्याबद्दल आभार. द काइंड ऑफ थॉट्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स लाईक यू वूड हेल्प मी इन डिस्चार्जिंग माय ड्युटीज efficiently in my new positions. Means your best wishes, your good words can support me to do work to do my duties. I hope I would be able to meet the expectations of a new assignment and maintain the high standard of professional excellence established by the predecessors. आणि मग की मला आशा आहे की तुम्हा लोकांच्या जे काही अपेक्षा आहेत त्या अपेक्षा मी पूर्ण करण्याचा प्रयत्न करेल आणि पाठीमागे आपल्या लोकांनी म्हणजे माझ्या अगोदर जे काही बॉडी होती किंवा जे चेअरमन होते त्यांनी जे काही काम केलेलं आहे त्यांच्यासारखंच चांगल्या पद्धतीचं काम मी करेन. मीन्स आय विल डू येस and or I will try to satisfy the expectations of our community members. With kind regards, yours sincerely, Happy Boss. Means how the letter of congratulation is written and how the reply is given to such kind of letters. The next type of social letter like invitation. There are so many functions or the activities in our life. For that we have to invite the people and we have to write also sometimes give the invitation. The letter of invitation. Dear Sri Kumar, could you please give us the pleasure of your company at lunch on Sunday 27th January 2000 at 1 p.m. We have arranged it at Holga on Civil Road. I have asked a few other common friends to join. Please do reply or just confirm on the phone your acceptance. With best wishes. Yours sincerely, Sumat Singh. आपल्याला माहीत आहे की सपोज you are going to arrange the one party and you have to invite your friends. How is we can write? You are going to celebrate your party and its invitations we have to give. म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमचा वाढदिवस साजरे करणार आहात, वाढदिवसाची पार्टी देणार आहात, जेवण देणार असाल तर त्यासाठी मित्रांना तुम्ही इन्व्हिटेशन देता आणि एक अपेक्षा व्यक्त करता की तुम्ही यावं, अदर मेंबर्स ऑल्सो विल कम. And I would be happy you come and attend the party. And if are you coming or not, please do reply. There is no need to write letter, but just confirm on the phone as your acceptance. With the best wishes. Yours sincerely so much. आता फोनवरून मी येणार आहे सांगू शकतो, but it is essential if you got the invitation is we have accepted such kind of invitation and we have to write such thing as to the people or to the man who has invited or who has written a letter of invitation to you. How that Miss Sri Singh has written letter to you, Mr. Kumar, and that the Kumar is going to write a letter of acceptance to Mr. Singh. See here, dear Sri Singh, many thanks for inviting me for lunch. I shall be happy to have it with you on 27th January. I look forward to meeting you and other friends with best wishes. म्हणजे इथं you have accepted that the invitation so that you have written. म्हणजे तुम्ही मला लंचला बोलल्याबद्दल तुमचे आभार आहे आणि आय शॅल बी हॅपी टू हॅव इट म्हणजे तुमच्यासोबत 27 तारखेला असणं यासाठी मी आनंदी असेल आणि आय लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग यू अँड अदर फ्रेंड्स आणि मी तुमच्याशी आणि मित्राशी भेटायला आतुर झालेला आहे. आय विल कम देअर अँड वी विल एन्जॉय इज दॅट द लंच इज विथ यू अँड युअर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. सपोज on the same day and at the same time you have some important works and you are unable to attend such kind of a party or the invitation, we have to write letter of regret or to reject. that. Dear Mr. Singh, thank you very much for the invitation to lunch on the 27th. म्हणजे तुम्ही जरी जाणार नसला तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला निमंत्रण दिलेलं आहे, याबद्दल तुम्ही आभार मानलेच पाहिजेत. मीन्स इट इज इसेन्शियल टू एक्सप्रेस युअर ग्रॅटिट्यूड अबाउट और फॉर दॅट द इन्व्हिटेशन. आय एम अफ्रेड आय वुड नॉट बी एबल, किंवा प्लीज सॉरी, I am afraid I would not be able to make it, or as I shall be out of town on the same day, same time for business meeting or for personal work. See, me sorry to say I will not attend, or I am unable to attend that the invitation, that the party or that the lunch, due to my personal work, due to my important meeting. So many reasons there are. Is one should write is on that. आणि मग तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी खेद व्यक्त केला पाहिजे किंवा एवढा मित्र आपल्याला आतुरतेनं त्याने ते लंचला बोलवलेलं आहे आणि तुम्ही जाऊ शकत नाही आहे. आय नो आय एम गोइंग टू मिस द डेलिशियस फूड and your warm company and your friends, our friends. I hope I can look forward to some such occasion in future. बघा, मी जरी येणार नसला तरी सुद्धा भविष्यामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे आपण एकत्र येऊ शकतो. बेस्ट विशेष फॉर दॅट युअर सिन्सिअरली डी कुमार. मीन्स हिअर वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट 3 kinds of letters. First one, letter of congratulation. Okay. Then letter to reply to the letter of congratulation. Then letter of invitation. Then letter for acceptance of the invitation. And here letter of rejection means to regret, refusing. Why refusal? The reasons you should mention there. Means how these letters, social letters, I think, are written. As a human being, as a social member, we have to make such correspondence with your business partners or with your friends. Okay? Any difficulty? We'll discuss the other kinds of letters for the next lecture, like letter of thanks, letter of appreciation, letter of condolence, and the sympathy and reply for such kind of letters. Okay, it is better to stop here, so we can continue such part for the next lecture. Thank you very much.